Hi everyone, my name is Della Phillips. I'm an artist as well as I'm known as the Bicycle Lady. How you doing today? I'm doing great. Now let's get some business out of the way first. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow it and I really would appreciate it, and there's no charge. And I want to personally thank you in advance for subscribing. Today's video is going to involve pencils. I just got this shipment from Musgrave. I thought you might want to see it. They now have their own online store, which is fantastic. Used to you had to go through vendors, and you could only buy direct if you were an institution buying huge amounts or getting personalized pencils. So this is fantastic. All you have to do is go to musgrave.com. I believe that's the website. I'll have it coming across the screen here of the website name, plus it will be down below in the description. Alright, let me put this away. And we have some wrapping. Alright, I'm going to take this out, the box here, and put this to the side. Okay. Let's see, what will we do first? Well, let's do this box. One thing I got on the website, which is kind of fun, is, as you can see here, factory seconds. And I thought, okay, it might be small blemishes on the pencil itself, or it could be other things. And they said it end of runs and so forth. I thought it might be fun just to get, and maybe even give it away. Eventually, maybe I'll get to the point where I'll have embossed pencils that all you can send in an envelope and get your own. Okay, well that's nicely wrapped. I thought the pencil would be in that. Okay. Let's see here. Well, this is kind of fun. I like the box. Whoa! Look at these. Aren't these nice? Let's look at the holographic one. It's like a sampling of a lot of them that they make. Is it lead centered? Yeah. A nice white eraser. Look at this one. This was a classic type of number 2 pencils. These are all number 2 pencils. Yeah, centered. Regular pink eraser. Okay, I like it. They look to be centered now, but this is a second. You can see it here. See here where the wood, when they shaped it, because they come out of blanks, is chipped off at the end in the paint. It's centered. It will sharpen down, but that would be considered second. And some of these, like overruns, that's a slight second. And the other thing I like is they've got their barcode down here at the end. I like that rather than up here. I just like them. I think they're great. I was at a great price too. So I have plenty of pencils to give away. HB pencils to use. And so forth. Okay. Now, let's look into what I ordered in addition to the factory seconds. Again, they've done a great job packaging everything up. I'm going to have to reuse some of this as well. Tennessee Reds. I really wanted to get their Tennessee Reds. That's the way they started out initially, because they located in Tennessee because of that area's amount of red cedar trees. And they started making their pencils out of the local cedar. That's really fantastic. Oh, looks like I got a freebie. Let's see what else we've got here. Okay. Alright. So, Well, thank you. No. Thank you so much for your order. Encloses a free sample. Thank you, Musgrave team. Oh, how wonderful. That's fantastic. It talks about Musgrave being a pencil company that is family owned, operating in Shelbyville, Tennessee since 1916. They are one of the last two companies, as I understand it, American companies, fully American owned American companies, and the other one is General Pencil. It's Musgrave and General Pencil. So, you know, it's special that they are still in operation. I know that they don't have the huge plant they once had. Let's see what we got as far as the free pencils. Okay, this is a Harvest Musgrave Bonded Lead, a number 2. It's very nicely centered. And the eraser, let's see, it's okay. And here is test scoring. This is a darker, like a B pencil that they have. And so a darker pencil to go with number 2, which is essentially an HB pencil. Alright, now let's take a look at the Tennessee. The Tennessee ones will, like they said in their description, will have some slight imperfections in them. It's the nature of the milling and so forth. Yeah, you can smell that cedar, even though it's been aged. And it's a natural finish on it. And that's the reason why you see this area here. But that is Tennessee red cedar. It smells great. It's an HB. And because of the nature of the wood, they can't really emboss it with anything, because they actually emboss with a leaf when they emboss their lettering, which is fantastic. I think they silk screened this, yeah. Yeah, it feels like it's silk screened. And here it says genuine Tennessee red cedar. Is the Musgrave name on there? Yeah, right here. It's a little harder to see. Okay, that's going to be fun. And as you can see, here's a different color. That's going into the heartwood when you get that change. I am so thrilled. Definitely will have plenty of pencils. From my favorite pencil company too. And then I did get a graded set. Plus, you know how much I use the 600 news. So I do have a partial box, so I went ahead and got another full box. Keep on using the news as much as I am. I'm going to see if I can order a gross of them. If I just buy one gross, I'll see if they will. It's not on the website, but I can contact them. Now, these are the Unigraphs. I do love using these. So, that's what I got from Musgrave. I think that's fantastic. I'm going to put this extra set away. And the news. I'm going to put this aside because I want to sharpen one of these real soon. And then, well, let's get to swatching out the Unigraph. And let's make sure everything's fine. Because when you get your pencils, you do need to swatch them. Alright, I took one of my boxes of the Unigraph, which is a good range. It's not from 9B to 9H. It does go from 6B and up. But it does give you a fantastic range. There's a couple of duplicates in the box as well. Went ahead and did a swatching, where I wanted to see how they laid down, another term, and they laid down quite nice. Now you can still get a sheen with this super heavy, because I went super heavy on this one, just to see and make sure how it stepped up. And they did great. So I'm very, very happy. I love these pencils to work with, and Now it's time to get drawing. If you have any questions, be sure to comment. I'll promptly respond, as well as if you found this video informative, please subscribe. It really helped me out a lot with YouTube. And until next time, you have a wonderful day.